Hello everyone, Jonathan Schlack, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that covers northwestern Minnesota, far northeastern South Dakota, northeastern half of North Dakota, and the very far extreme northeastern corner of Montana. Just includes a teeny tiny part of far northeastern Montana, just barely includes Montana at all, but a very teeny tiny part. And we have a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow that covers northeastern Montana, southwestern North Dakota, most of South Dakota, northwestern Nebraska, the very far extreme northeastern corner of Colorado, most of Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, northern Iowa, most of Wisconsin, northern Illinois, southern Michigan, northern Indiana, and far northwestern Ohio. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow, we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that covers far southeastern South Dakota, southern Minnesota, northern Iowa, southwestern Wisconsin, and northwestern Illinois. Now going to the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that covers northwestern Minnesota, far northeastern South Dakota, the northeastern half of North Dakota, and the very far extreme northeastern corner of Montana. Just barely includes Montana at all, but a very teeny tiny part of far extreme northeastern corner of Montana. And we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that covers northeastern Montana, southwestern North Dakota, most of South Dakota, northwestern Nebraska, the very far extreme northeastern corner of Colorado, going up here to most of Minnesota, most of Minnesota, northern Iowa, most of Wisconsin, northern Illinois, northern Indiana, southern Michigan, and the very far extreme northwestern part. Sorry guys, I think I'm coming out with a sore throat. And also, far northwestern Ohio. Now going to the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% chance of seeing hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that covers north central North Dakota and the very far extreme northeastern corner of Montana, just barely includes Montana at all, but a very teeny tiny part of very far extreme northeastern corner of Montana. And we have a 5% chance of seeing hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that covers northeastern Montana, most of North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, most of Minnesota, northern Iowa, southwestern Wisconsin, northern Illinois, northern Indiana, southern Michigan, and the very far extreme northwestern part of Ohio. So that's the hail threat for tomorrow. Now in summary, strong to severe thunderstorms are possible from the northern plains into the upper Midwest on Sunday. So that's the outlook for the Day 2 outlook. We have a severe threat today over here, but I already covered that in the Day 1 outlook video, which is the previous video. So if you want information on the Day 1 outlook, check out the previous video. But anyway, stay safe in the affected areas both today and tomorrow, and I will have another update tomorrow. Take care.